we're here.
Okay, what's up, guys?
We're here.
We're signing.
Or we're not signing, but they're running my credit.
To sign. Did you show them the car?
No, not really.
Let me show you pictures because it's outside. So obviously I want the white and black one, but this one's nice. I like this one. I love the inside. There he is. It's a he.
Car. We got the car. Like, I'm so happy. I want to cry too, and I'm in shock because I didn't think they were gonna say yes. But we got the car. I'm so. How do you feel?
I'm so happy. Like, I literally, he said we got a deal, and I'm like,
I thought he was gonna give us bad news, bro. For real.
I literally, bro, I have tears in my eyes. Oh, there, my emails have been sent. Okay.
Oh my goodness, y'all.
Yep, that's what it's supposed to say. What's your cell phone number?
484 3.
No.
That sucks.
So,
Why can't I see
this is the car.
I'm in my new car.
We're on the phone with Jose.
Can you call Jose? Because my car's not letting me FaceTime.
It's so nice.
What's up, guys? We're still waiting on paperwork, but I'm just literally in disbelief that... let me just lower the radio. I got a car. This car is beautiful. It's literally beautiful. But this is my car. I am literally shook. What do you... Literally shook. I got a mom car because... literally a mom car. Literally. But this is my car. I'm excited. I'm happy. I literally cried when he was like... Oh, I like... Not really cried, but cried. Ya tiene la placa todo. So... I got a car. Wow. That's crazy.
Guys, we're celebrating with some McDonald's. Like,
Thank you.
I'm so excited.
Thank you.
Cash or card?
I don't know. Whatever you have.
How much was it?
1606. I don't have anything. I literally don't have it.
I'm so excited. Alright guys, look at that beauty. Oh, and my baby's a beauty too. Do I come out? But okay, Shirls. I want to like walk. This is how she looks from the front, or he looks from the front. Is it he, right?
I think it's a he.
Alright, she thinks it's a he. There's my baby, my beautiful baby. But so cute. Oh, okay, y'all. We came. Oh, whoa. Focus. We came to the mall for a little bit. Yeah, right in my face. Oh my goodness. Okay, we are ready. We look cute. I'm just gonna throw on a jean jacket. Let me put you guys right here. Okay. My room is a mess. When is it not a mess? I'll probably have a video of me cleaning it, drop out later. But this is the perfume we did today. Smells so good. Like, who, if you would have told me last year, or maybe like 2 years ago, that I was gonna be into perfume, like I would have laughed in your face because I wouldn't have believed you. But this is the one we did today. So we smell good, we look good, and I'm trying to take pictures today. We're gonna go pick up Joylee and Timmy, and then we're gonna go to Chinatown, and hopefully I have pictures posted. If I do, That's my Instagram and the pictures, and you guys can go check them out, give it a like. If I don't, then disregard that. But yeah, vamos. Vámonos, vámonos, vámonos.
Chinatown. Oh, you're gonna use this, right? Mm-hmm. In Chinatown or pink drink with no inclusions.
Alright, anything else?
I'll also do another venti pink drink.
Also with no inclusions?
That one can be regular, it doesn't really matter.
Anything else?
That's everything.
Yummy. Oh yeah, we are in Shirley's new car, by the way.
Thank you.
Guys, their grilled cheese is so good. But I could go in this.
Okay, let me see. Trip distance?
Solamente con mi pan, pero está rico.
0.7 miles.
Imagine ahorita. We're like 300.
Is that being posted? Oh, I was about to drive. I get it.
Uy, perdón, usted. So I really have to get used to like a whole new car and driving it and stuff. That's funny. But here's our pink drink.
It's not really sensitive, so I like that.
Delish. We are currently going to Target, so it's exciting. Here's everybody. And we are here in Target. I'm not that sick anymore, my dude. Shirley is looking for shoes. Guys, I would definitely wear these. Oh, look at these ones. They're like loafers in the front, and then speaking of, I'm wearing my loafers today. I feel like I look weird, but it is what it is.
They don't really match.
Alright guys, we are here. I think they're paying for parking right now, but yeah. Timmy's right here. Everybody else is right there. So I think we're gonna go get something to eat. I'm low-key hungry, but a ver qué comemos. Enjoy! Okay, we're here. We're gonna look at the menu. Jelly, Timmy, Shirley, and Canon. We're gonna see what they have de bueno. El número 30 que es.
up, guys? We're taking over. No sé mostrar. Kelly's vlog. La gente te va a creer, no digas eso.
Se iba en el vacío.
No.
¿Qué es lo que? Estamos aquí.
They're so awkward.
No, que te parecen así.
Si el hermano Kevin. ¿A dónde se borra eso?
Vas a estar 10 minutos de
Ya
esto.
sabemos quién es la culpable, la dueña del canal.
You can just fast forward all our conversation.
Cristina también.
Mira qué rico.
Es mío.
¿A cómo sabe?
¿Este tiene soda?
No, I don't think it.
¿Cómo se para esto?
It's okay. This is what we got.
No entra.
Yeah.
Estoy brincando.
Qué rico se prueba. Alright, let's do taste test. Ready?
Oh my god. Yo pensé que ya lo probaste.
This? 10 out of 10. Try it. It's good. Just try one.
But that was good because it's not too.
That's good though. It has Sprite, right?
I don't know.
It tastes like Sprite. It's good.
No,
10 out of 10 for the drinks? Yes, ma'am. Hey, I think I'm ready. Can I do the number 30, please?
Number 30?
Yeah. Rice noodles. Beef. Yeah. Thank you.
Es más, hermano.
How good. Yummy. Let's try this. Alright, let's do this. Ready.
That's my mommy.
Ponle mitad primero y luego.
Look how pretty. Mira.
Yummy.
¿Cuál?
Yo sé qué laberinto estoy haciendo aquí, pero... Oye, el limón, forgot. Todo lo malo sácalo por fuera. Okay, we're gonna try this. Está caliente. I ended up getting a fork.
That's good.
Está bueno.
¿Esto? Huele a carne asada. Oh my god.
¿El alma para qué tiene? ¿Puedes cortarse?
No, para mi video. Ay,
Ya
todo.
salió.
Está bueno.
No, por real, huele a carne asada esta cosa.
¿No ves la carne ahí?
Bueno, esto es prueba. Como estoy comiendo una sopa de carne asada. It's good. Moral of the story, está rico. Okay, we finished eating. Everybody's out here.
No, ya la borré.
Ni conmigo se toma foto la chica. You can tell who she loves more. Sí.
Where are we going?
Vámonos.
Alright, vamos, crucemos.
¿Dónde vamos?
I don't know. I don't know, my friend.
Ponte la nariz, señores.
Bro. Really want dessert.
That strawberry cupcake looks so good. Is that one right there? Se mira tan rico, I want to try it.
Yo toda pizza. ¿Una pizza?
Guys, miren qué bonito.
Mi color humilde.
Okay, we came to Pants Landing. Let me show you guys the view because it's nice.
We're
Yeah.
going to the fish room.
Oh yeah, no, you're crazy.
Oh, come on.
Look how cute the view is.
We're going to the theme park.
Ready? Look at that view.
Well, if you got the swings, I'm going on it.
cute view. Let's go see what's down here. Look at the Hilton Hotel.
What is that over there? That blue and yellow thing.
I don't know.
That's what the sky.
Look how nice.
Yo, we not go everywhere.
Guys, look at this view. Alright, we're about to get on that.
Ferris wheel.
Fun.
Yo!
I'm like shaking, yo. Oh my gosh, look how nice.
Hope you stop.
This is me right. Just like, I am terrified of these things, y'all. Cute.
Yo, we took like jet skis, yo. Look, the time is in the bridge.
I'm like holding on to dear life, y'all.
Yo, look at.
And then they're having a party down there.
Don't look down.
I'm like trying not to die, y'all. So literally holding to dear life right now. But the view. Guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Oh, it's raining.
Okay, y'all, we got the best Coca-Cola. And we also got an esquite, so we're gonna try this.
Is that spicy?
Los Doritos están como...
No están picantes. Yo pensé que iba a estar más picante, but it's good though. Okay, guys, we are back home. I am so tired. Like, I'm probably just gonna watch movies and stuff with Joely, and then we're probably gonna go to sleep. So I think this is it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow when we go to church. I think I'm gonna plan my outfit already because I'm not gonna be guessing what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning. We are going to church right now. So that's exciting. I don't know qué está haciendo esta loca.
Can I talk? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Kelly's life. What are you looking at? Kelly's life. Señor, perdóname. Y voy para la iglesia.
Y así hablamos.
Vamos todos para la iglesia.
¿Y usted qué mira?
Cristo punto viene. No, she was looking at me. Okay. Anyways, guys, it is 9:26. No pueden ver. Bueno, se apagó mi teléfono. And we're going to church because we gotta praise the Lord. Right, Raquel?
What?
I said we're going to church because we gotta praise the Lord.
Yes, ma'am.
We're in the hood. We go to
Philly.
We go to church in the hood, bro.
In the actual hood.
In the actual hood. So, alright. Me están viendo los drogadictos. Me voy a entrar a la iglesia. This is kind of scary. Bye.
Guys, Shirley and I have something exciting coming soon.
What? Oh.
Y'all see when it comes out. I don't even want to jinx it. Hi guys, we are finished with church. Jose is driving now.
Am I?
No, the car is gonna flow all the way home. Anyways, yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna probably take a nap. It's so hot. Me voy a derretir, me voy a poner más chaparro. I don't really know what we're doing, but a mí me están llevando. I have to go shopping today.
The dog ran away.
Oh!
Listen, get up.
Where's he at?
Because the kid let go of his leash and then he left.
He probably don't do anything.
I'm just saying that.
Alright, I'll talk to you guys in a minute.
Yeah, that one right there, he let go of it.
Alright, we're gonna go get something to eat right now. Typical Jose. Dancing? Oh, big. I'm gonna save up to get braces, y'all.
I want to get braces.
Mira, ni a mí. Ni a mí me agarra así.
Boba tea.
Let's go. Vamos a ir a comer el Subway. Subway. Excuse me. Subway. Okay, if the lighting is bad, I'm sorry, but what time is it? It is like 12:13, and I'm here. Oh, why did you win? Okay. I'm here eating a mango.
You're eating mango?
Con limón y sal. Yes. It was so good. Not how I usually like my mango, but it's good, and I love mangoes. If y'all ever want to give me anything, give me mangoes, pero que estén verdes. Those are the best. Mangoes verdes. I'm just realizing my nose was runny. Like, ando bien mocosa todavía. But I was working on something exciting that's coming soon. I think you guys will really like it. So, stay tuned for that. Anyways, alright, I'm gonna go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Good night. Bye.